Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today at K Warner Studio. This video is the unboxing of Love from Lizi March 2018 card kit. Now I've taken some things out of the resealable 12 by 12 plastic bags in an effort to keep the noise down. So I'm just going to move the box. First up is the Love from Lizi exclusive stamp set, and this stamp set was designed from the design team coordinator Laura at Crafty Not Shifty. She's done a wonderful job. Here we have a sundae with a fruit and a topping. We have could be little cakes or cupcakes here and here, or specialty cakes. This one as well, we have some cookies or biscuits and some pancakes with some syrup running down the side, and she's included some shading marks here so you know where to apply more or your darkest color depending on the medium that you use. So Laura's done a wonderful job. This is fueled by cake, coffee, and crafting. A party without cake is just a meeting. Treat yourself and you are the sweetest. Now the thing about this is that it's manufactured in the UK and it's made from really high quality photopolymer. So this is going to be fun to work with. So we have the paper bag and then we have the embellishment. So I'll get into the paper because I love the paper. And the other things too are here, like for example card fronts. We have some beautiful card fronts and this beautiful olive color with a gold overtones, metallic finish, beautiful. Actually it's pearlescent specialty card. So this is a card front. And so we have this olivey color. Then we have this, it's gold over the top and it's khaki. And it's double-sided, the same print is on each side, and it's really nice and thick. So we have that one, and then we have a texturized craft, and you can see the texture on this. It's really beautiful, and that is flat, non-textured on the back side. And then we have this one that almost looks like cable knit sweater. So a cable is running down, and that has a high sheen as well. Nice to use. And this is another pearlescent. It's not as thick as the other one. Single-sided, and it really is like a shimmer. And then we have this color here, the pink. So that's same on both sides. Really nice card fronts. I get a feeling that must have been in the embellishment bag, so we'll go through it. We have these craft stickers for them in different shapes and sizes. A hexagon metallic. It's like either a brass or copper. It could go with either depending on the color of the cardstock that was used. And so we have some punctuation and quite a few different of the same uppercase letters and numbers, and you have some extra ones here with nothing on them, so you could make spaces. Or yes, and here we have, so it's the full alphabet plus the numbers and punctuation. Very nice, and they're hexagonal. Well, here's two more of the card bases that I missed. This is a really pretty copper color, and that's thick, and this is, you know, if this was blue it would make a wonderful sky, but this is pinks, so there's going to be lots we can do with that by the color palette we have in front of us. So here are our 6x6 papers. They are single-sided, lots of pink and green. So I'm going to put this over on white paper so it does it the justice. So there's that. And then we have the pink and greens, and that looks like off-white background. Pink, and this is white. Here we have little gifts that are tied with bows, and that's like a sepia green, pink, off-white, and a chocolate brown. Here we have sepia again with the pink and the white and the off-whites in there as well. Black, pink stripes. We got some little flowers here and it scrolls in this corner. Some more stripes. So we have the chocolate brown, the sepia, the craft color on an off-white or cream base. We've got the pinks and the greens. Here we have the two different colors of brown. We've got the flower here on the corner again and the scroll down here. Slightly different than before and more of it as well. Here we have some greens. This screams St. Patrick's Day card. It just has tiny little flowers and leaves and berries and things like that. Bunches of berries. This kind of has a romantic or spring-like feel. Mother's Day cards would be good with that one. Here's the same print, but just in varying degrees of darkness of sepia. And then we have decanters and sweets. So that's with the 6x6 packs, and there's 12 of those. And now we have the peel-offs. So we have, this is the largest size, all one sheet of the largest size, and this here is 3 different sizes. Now I ordered an extra peel-off sheet, and I'm not sure which one is which, but I'm sure we'll come to it. So as I say, these have the 3 sizes from the very narrow. So this is the smallest one here. Maybe that's the medium one. No, that's the smallest. And then the next size up is this one. And finally we have the largest, which is here. So we have a whole sheet of that. And then what's on this sheet here. So it's these are great for in between where colors join, different patterns join. Have a nice transition with that. This is an extra. This is a sheet of stickers, and this is a great sheet in that we have some the frames. So you have 3 stickers to make this one. So you have 2 frames. We've got some nice borders here. Little stickers, 4 of them. There's a lot of sepia in here. These are the flowers. I have, it says take time to smell the flowers. We've got some flagged ends, one end, and then we have other stickers here that are flagged on both ends. And then we have enjoy life, eat cake. This is a frame and a sticker. And this one here is not, it's all one sticker. This one here too is also a frame with a sticker. So we have the nice scalloped edge on this one, as is this one. And then we have little sentiment strips like imagination, unexpected, our story, happiness, inspiring, thank you. A lot that you could use on scrapbooking pages. This here's pretty. As you'll notice, these are the same stripes as what was in the colorful 6x6. They only have that on a diagonal. And so we have decanters and flowers and sepia, and all of that seems to be right through this whole kit. And then we have our paper, and I'm just going to measure this for you. So this is 11 by 8.5, so it's international standard. So we have the white, brown, and that's slightly textured, apple green, black, nice thick cardstock, and then we have pink. So that matches the card kit wonderfully. And then we have these wonderful things. These would make wonderful bookmarks. There's just so many things you could use on this, because you have the decanters, you've got really beautiful cakes and decanters with sweets, and serving dishes with macarons and cupcakes, some jelly down here, a gelatin mold, and then you have different flowers and flourishes, and this side is all sepia with a real undercurrent of polka dots, and you can see those when I hold that up. And this is my extra sheet of peel-offs, and the same 3 sizes, and they're Love from Lizi exclusives. And this here is really cute and beautiful, actually. It has the copper foiling, so we have Sweet Life. We've got this, you could really make a nice frame out of this with these beautiful flowers, a rose, a heart, and we've got some more plaques, flowers in the corners. We've got this beautiful foil in a circle, so you could make a frame out of that. And then we've got this really ornate piece here, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's the enlarged shape of what these are, so you could probably use that for a frame. So let me have a look here. I'm thinking outside of the box. Yeah, it is. It's the exact same thing. It's a little larger, but you could certainly use it. So that's very nice. And in the back of that, yeah, is a sepia. So much you could do with this. It's pretty. And then here we have the stripes. This is also the same print as in the 6x6 paper, but on this side we have lots of cutouts. So we have the pinks and the greens, the sepia. We've got the chocolate brown or black, depending on how it's picking up on the camera. So here we've got some beautiful flowers here that look like tulips. This is carried on again. These are opposite corners, so you could do some interesting things with that. We have the Cherish with some flowers. Today is a wonderful place to be. What does this one say? You belong among the flowers. So this is really feminine and pretty, spring-like. And then some more that are different shapes. Here we have a large section of decanters. Right here with a little spot to put a sentiment. The enlarged, you know, the gelatin mold, the candy, the cakes, and the sweets. These decanters are larger with, just to show you now, this design here and this one here are perfect matches. So there's lots you could do with that. Then we have the layered frames. You could certainly do some creative cutting and cut that like that. And then we have this beautiful piece here that would just be a nice front of a card. As is this one. You could even, as I say, make the fancy or intricate cuts to make that more of a layered card, and that's beautiful as well. And then we have the large roses with the sepia print. So those are our papers. And now we are going to have a look at the embellishments. And so I'm just going to move this here. Certainly a lot of items in the kit, very doable. These panels are going to be great to work with. The colors match is just spot on, Lizi. So now we have our embellishment bag. And I'm just going to let you have a look at this great stamp set that Laura designed. So our Nouveau Jewel Drops this time are limoncello, and they're translucent. Just put that out of the way. I have this great brush lettering acetate words to show you. So we have thank you, enjoy, oops, the lights not playing, enjoy. So we have love, big hugs, for you, friends, hello, and fabulous. So these are in every one of the kits. And then our bag of embellishments. So here we have raffia color covered wire, and that's I would say it's 1 meter. The ends are sharp, so I just want to keep that twisted up there together. And we have this gold tinsel, and I'm not going to take it all out, but it's long, and it's really, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to try to use it. If I get that out, it's going to grow, and we're going to have quite the mess everywhere. So we have some copper jewels, and I don't know how many are there, but there's a lot of them, and they're small. We have some copper brads, so they have real high shine. So we have 6 of those and 3 what are they called? Sucker sticks or lollipop sticks. They're just small, tiny. So interesting to see what everybody does with those. So I'm going to get this back in the bag. And then we have some wooden buttons, and there are 2, 4, 6 of those. They're all the same. You can color them different ways, distress inks, dyes, and there's 4 holes in each one of them. They're flat on the bottom, and they're kind of concave. And then we have a sampling of the Love from Lizi sequin mix. This is probably less than half of what you would get in the bags of full sequin mix. And we have 3 dies that are hexagon. So this is the largest. And then we have the smaller one, and then the smallest. So this is going to be interesting to use. The largest one from side to side is a 1 3/4 inches. So that's the largest. And the smallest one is 1 inch. And the one in between is 1 3/5 maybe. So that's how big that is. You can make little frames with them. There's a lot you can do with them. And then we have the ribbons. So we have this grosgrain, dark brown with different cupcakes on it. So there's and it's 1 meter. And then we have really like a fluorescent green and white twisted baker's twine, and that is a little bit thicker than some, and that is 1 meter as well. And then on my last 10 cards 1 kit, I had this 1/8 in black ribbon, and this here is pink and vanilla or off-white, and there's 1 meter in this as well, and this is also 1/8 of an inch. So that, my friends, is the Love from Lizi 2018 March card kit. So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend it with me, and I hope that you'd stay tuned for the 10 cards 1 kit video that will be on this channel shortly. Bye bye.